Okay, let's get together and make some tuna. Quick and easy, low to no carbs. It can make such a nice appetizer, a good little snack. Audra Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. Hey, this is Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, we're about to make some tuna fish. Okay, so this is like the shortcut way. I love this. I love using the little ranch, the already seasoned packets. I'm gonna put the already seasoned packets, a little mustard. Now, see if you get a flavored mustard, a mustard that you like, maybe even a spicy mustard, that will just add a whole nother level to it. They're great on keto because it's only one carb. And so if you're doing keto, you can just eat them and not add anything else. But then you get mayo with 0 carbs, add mayo, and you have your really nice little tuna situation going. Now, I'm gonna put a Hellmann's mayonnaise in here, and this, how many carbs does this have? 0 carbs. Then I'm just gonna put a little squirt of this spicy mustard that I like. Sometimes I do, I'll say one big good squirt. Sometimes I do a honey mustard, give me my little sweet. I'm gonna do a little sweet relish. If you don't like sweet, you wanna stick with spicy, do a dill relish. That's my consistency. I'm all done. The tuna is done. Okay, so I put the yolks in the tuna. I had to add a little salt. And then I'm just going to put the tuna fish in the eggs. It'll give it a deviled egg look. It's so easy to eat. And it's great if you're not doing carbs. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese on top. Yeah. Okay, so I added the egg yolks. I used 2 packs of Tuna Creations, the ranch style. I use sweet relish instead of dill relish, which gives it a carb or 2. You can keep this totally low carb. This is so cute and adorable. It makes the greatest little hors d'oeuvre. I would normally serve it with little crackers in the middle. I am going to sprinkle some fresh Parmesan cheese on top. No carbs as well. This is just going to be so cute, so adorable, delicious, easy to eat, finger foods. You don't need silverware, anything like that. This is just so cute and quick and easy. It's really a fun little snack. Oh, it wouldn't be right without a little parsley. Okay, it only took less than 5 minutes to make an adorable hors d'oeuvre. Okay, so this is what the tuna looks like. Really easy, less than 5 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes including egg boiling time. Delicious. Super impressive, and it only takes 5 minutes. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.